today's show we got Ellie Invite Part 2, and we got Shred Jams with Rupit on Terry. Mom, I know you told me better than this to talk to girls in that way.
Randomly, I've just met these girls again from last night. What was the stupidest thing I did last night?
You sang all by myself. I tricked you into it. All by myself.
Bar ass. Ellie Invite in one word.
A lot of chicks, good snowboarders, and crazy party.
That was way more than one word, sir.
Only one word. Insane. Boom.
God damn it! Haldor Helgeson. Ellie in one word.
Badass in one word.
I gotta call you out. Everybody has the best drunk stories about you. Why is that?
I don't know. I get invisible and do my thing, you know?
This is about like when you go out on a night out with Sage Kotzenberg, you steal his girls.
I'm just a smart guy, you know? I know how to do this, you know?
Ellie Invite, what's the best thing about today?
And all the beer. And all the hot guys.
All the beer and hot guys.
Yeah.
Like me, which I'm not a beer, I'm not a hot guy.
Yeah, you're a hot guy.
Thanks, son! Ellie Invite in one word.
Awesome.
Hi. Hi, how are you? Can I... Hi. Hello. Hey. Ellie Invite! You bunch of pricks! Shove it up your hole, snowboarding!
And because Stan's been missing in action in MIA, we've got a brand new segment, and it's called Shred Jams, because it's about what you jam to with your shred. It's easy, right? Rupit on Terry, take it away.
Okay, this is Rupit on Terry. This is my shred jams. It's not really a jamming, but anyways, all the 3 songs go to the Slayer. The first one is Angel of Death. Second one is Piece by Piece. And last but not least, Raining Blood. Thank you.
Tune in Monday, we got more Shred Jams. We got Double Tap, he's back, it's the Stan the Man. And we got Pound of Flesh. When you smash yourself and I give you a cast. Boom. See you.